Welcome back to part 3. This time I'm going to copy my seasonal indices from here back across to my tabular data. So let's highlight those and I'll Control C to copy. Now I'm going to click on the cell there, and I don't want them to copy to the right, I want them to copy downwards. So when I go to paste these, I'll have to move down to where it says paste special and then transpose. Now the other thing is I'll just post the values. I don't want the color and everything else to go with it. So there's my raw values for those seasonal indices, and it's quarter 1, 2, 3, 4 in the order that we worked them out. Now that I've got them there like that, I'll have to copy them, the same indices down for year 2016 and 2017. Just move that a little bit out of the way. Now I'm going to find my de-seasonalised data. In order to de-seasonalise, I use the data value and divide by the index. So we'll copy those. Nicely done. And now that's going to be a data series that I can put onto here. So how do I do that? I select the chart. It highlights the columns where my X and Y values are. I go up to the ribbon where it says Chart Design, then Select Data, and now I can see series number 1. While I'm here, I'll select that and edit that, and I will put here the raw data as as a label. Now I'm going to add a data series. The data series name is my de-seasonalised data. The X values are still the times. The Y values, I'll use that little button to shrink the box, and I'll select my de-seasonalised Y values. And when I press OK a couple of times, you can see some orange dots have begun to appear. Now that's my de-seasonalised data. It still follows a similar trend. I do notice that there's a lot of empty space down here at the bottom of the chart. None of these values are below 15,000. So just while I'm here, I'll left click on the vertical axis. I can use the ribbon to go Format and then Selection. And then over here I can say the minimum that I want is 15,000. And that just helps me see the chart a little bit more clearly. Now, it would be very interesting to select the orange dots and go across here to the addition sign, trend line, use the right arrow to give more options, and I will display that equation with its coefficient of determination as well. Let's move that one up there and increase the size of that. Maybe a little bit too much. And you can see this one, the coefficient of determination is nearly 0.6, a lot better correlate, a lot stronger association than the raw data, because we've taken out some of that seasonal variation. Now it's not perfect, there's still a little bit of change going on, but it's definitely better than it was. That's enough for that one. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.